Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the new feature that YouTube released. That is the ability to go live vertically. Yes, you can now go live on YouTube vertically. The only difference is now the vertical live will appear in the short feed. So if you want to watch a vertical live in the short feed, what you need to do is one, you either pause a video. When you pause a video, you see it on the top live. Once you click on it, it will take it to the current live streaming that is going on vertically. Another way, you can be scrolling on the short feed and you see it written underneath watch live. You can go ahead and click on it and you'll be directed to a live streaming that is going on vertically. So some of the live streaming I have seen personally are really interesting. Some not that creative, but some are really nice. And the views on them are like up to 1,000. Some maybe a couple of 100 or 30 on the views count. Now the big question is, does the watch hours and the subscribers you get count towards monetization? Well, so far YouTube have not told us if it doesn't count or not, but I do believe it does count towards monetization. And also, once they are done with the live stream, the video will be saved. Just like any other live, you can now go ahead, download it, edit it, pick up some parts of it you might want to use in your shots too. So now another thing is how do you go live vertically? Well, you can go live vertically from your PC or your phone. Mostly I think people are using their phone because it's much easier that way, but you can also use your PC. But the only thing there is that you need to change the aspect ratio to a vertical screen, which means you have to narrow it down like this to make it vertical, for it to be counted as a vertical live and to be shown in the short feed. So let's go right into it. Let me show you how you can go live. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on YouTube. This is my YouTube app. After clicking on it, I'm just gonna wait for it to open up, to load. Once it's done loading, I'm coming to the plus button right there. I'm gonna click on it, on the plus button. Once I click on it, it will bring up all these options. I have video, short, and live. So if I want to upload a video, I'll come there. If I want to upload a short, I will also come to that side. Okay. So right here we're on the live. I'm going to click on that pen icon. When I click on that pen icon, it's going to give me more option on edits that I can make, like title, thumbnails, descriptions. So this is it right here. So the first one will come up here is the title. I can change it. If I'm going to play a game or I'm going to talk about something, I can just give it that title. So this is set visibility. If I want, I can make this video public. I'm going to make it unlisted since I'm just teaching you how you can go live vertically. And one more thing is that you have to make sure you're holding your phone vertically. Don't turn it horizontally. Hold it vertically. So come here, we can go live together. If I have a friend and we both want to go live together vertically, we can go ahead and do that. Then we have location, the screencast. If you're going to play a game from your phone, you can go ahead and click here so that your screen, what is shown on your screen will be shown. So right here we have select audience. So it said not for kids. This makes sure that my live is not okay, it's not for kids, it's looking for more grown-up adults. So that is it. After doing that, I'm going to click on go live. I'm just going to wait for it, and that is it. So right now I am live vertically. Okay, so the big question is, now you are live, what next? How can you make some money being live? Do you have the same feature that you have when you're streaming horizontally normally on YouTube? On YouTube, Well, these are the features that you have access to once you have crossed the first milestone, that is the 500 subscribers and 3000 watch hours. So you get advantage to the crowdfunding feature, which is the super stickers and super chat and membership. So this is what we are here. This is how people can give you tips or become a member of your channel. So this is it, guys, and thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, do leave a comment that you want more videos like this. Go ahead and like this video over here. Yeah, just check out this video over here. Very useful.